Okay, so this is a quick video on how to repair gel nails. No one wants to sit there and soak these nails off for an hour and repair the whole thing. They never do that. No time for that. So this one just fell off. If I don't have time, I'll be putting crazy glue on it to temporarily put the original gel nail back on. It won't be perfect. So for those of you who know me, my stuff are not perfect anyway. But it will be good enough for every day. So this nail completely fell off. So I'm starting from scratch. These are older nails, okay, so they're still okay. I don't need to repair them yet. This one, if I really want to pop it off, I could. But I won't have time today. So like this one, if I really want to pop it off, I could. I'm going to repair this one. So, you buff the bottom. And you can't keep doing this for too long. Eventually it's going to have to fall off. Someone bought it. So like this is more the advanced poly gel nail tutorial. First I have to know how to put it on first. Right, what am I doing? Okay. Base coat. Alright. Homemade stain for my UV light. Still all the alcohol. Nails like this. Base gel on these repair nails. Big no-no because it's gonna pop right off. So we need to do this. Must put the base gel on. Base polish. That's that. Cure it. Sometimes I use flowers, sometimes, but today let's keep it simple. Use the butter. Some alcohol, make sure it's kind of sort of flat, smooth. If I have to do 10 nails, it's gonna take me 2 hours. I cannot recall the last time I did all 10 nails together. So it's always some form of repair. I use a crazy glue to glue it back on if it falls off a few times until it just no longer wants to stay. Then I'll just do a whole new nail. Let me cure it. Gotta hold it. If you want to put other patterns, I have this glow in the dark sticker. You can put it on top of the gel right before you put the mold on, and it will look like this. Alright, then you pull off the mold. Alright. Buff the top again. It's okay to get it matte because you are going to put another top coat on anyway to make it glossy. Can't really see behind the foam. Kind of hard to do it like this angle, but I'll touch it up with a flower. See, it's not that hard. Other YouTube video makes it look really easy. It takes a little practice, and then that's it. That's one nail. Right. Putting on one nail is easy. How do you repair them like this? Okay, so there's two different ways. You either put on more gel, which we could. Let's do that. Let's do both versions. A little bit. And use alcohol to kind of mash it out. But it's never gonna be as good as a new nail. So this is just to see how perfect you want it. I don't care about being perfect. I'm just more lazy. Okay. Cure it. Oops. You don't want to keep this here. You don't want to keep your gel next to your nail. To wipe down all the stuff that you get all sticky. I've had this set for over a year. Quite inexpensive. Probably cheaper than you guys going out to get one set of poly gel nail done. So I don't have things all over my table. So for fun, this more to make it thinner. I'm more lazy. See how it's all like, the bottom is all my real nail. I can just pop it off and just put on a new nail, but don't want to be bothered right now. Okay. See through the phone, but after it's cured, it's gonna look like this. The whole video took 19 minutes. I could have done it faster.